With the duty to sustain the defense of the country and its allies as well as supply peacekeeping forces throughout the world, the U.S. has by far the most powerful military in the world. More than 40 naval bases are located around the eastern and western coasts of the United States. Hello and welcome to Tech Enlarge Live. Today we will be talking about the biggest U.S. naval bases. For a variety of reasons, American naval facilities are well equipped with warships, submarines, and aircraft. According to the support population, these are the 10 largest naval bases in the U.S. 10. Patuxent River. The Naval Air Station Patuxent River is the 10th largest naval installation in the U.S., taking up 6,400 acres of land and housing 24,700 people. It is situated on a peninsula between the Chesapeake Bay and the Parazin River. It was established in April 1943 with the main objective of offering services and operational support for shore-based electronics, ships, and aircraft. The location, which is under the control of the Naval District Washington, houses more than 50 tenant commands and logs more than 165,000 aircraft movements annually. Additionally, it serves as the headquarters for both the Naval Air Systems Command and the Naval Air Warfare Center's Aircraft Division. 9. Naval Base Coronado. The largest command in the Southwest, Naval Base Coronado, is home to 27,000 military and civilian employees. The complex, which includes airfields, ports, and practice fields, spans more than 57,000 acres. The Naval Base Coronado, the Naval Amphibious Base Coronado, the Naval Outlying Landing Field Imperial Beach, the Naval Auxiliary Landing Field San Clemente Island, the Silver Strand Training Complex, the Mountain Warfare Training Camp Michael Monsoor, Camp Marina, and the remote training site Warner Springs make up the NBC. The facility houses 16 helicopter squadrons, 2 fixed-wing squadrons, 2 aircraft carriers, 4 SEAL teams, and Navy Expeditionary Combat Command squadrons in addition to providing support for the U.S. Pacific Fleet. 8. Naval Air Station Joint Reserve Base Fort Worth. The Naval Air Station Joint Reserve Base Fort Worth is home to 27,098 persons, including active duty service members, reserves, family members, and federal and civilian employees. The post, which was established in October 1994 as the nation's first joint reserve base, is home to a number of U.S. Navy, Marine Corps, Air Force, Army, and Texas Air National Guard units. Fort Worth's NASJRB Fort Worth can house 40 different commands and aid in the training of soldiers from all branches of the military services. The C-40 Clipper, F-16 Fighting Falcon, C-130 Hercules, FA-18 Hornet, KC-130 Hercules, and RC-12 aircraft all operate out of the base. 7. Naval Station Mayport. With a base population of 34,315 people, Naval Station Mayport is located on 3,409 acres along the St. Johns River, roughly 24 kilometers east of Jacksonville. A thriving harbor and an airport may be found in NS Mayport. As a strategic asset during the Cuban Missile Crisis, Operation Desert Shield, Operation Desert Storm, Operation Desert Fox, and Operation Allied Force, the naval facility was officially commissioned in December 1942. The base can accommodate up to 34 ships and is home to 70 tenant units, 20 naval ships, and 6 helicopter squadrons. All aircraft in the DoD inventory can land on the naval station's runway. 6. Naval Air Station Corpus Christi. The Naval Air Station Corpus Christi, located on the southeast side of Corpus Christi, Texas, has a total population of 43,287 people, including active duty personnel, employees, retirees, and family members. By the end of World War II, NAS Corpus Christi had trained 35,000 Navy aviators since its commissioning in March 1941. It presently trains roughly 600 aviators a year and was the only facility in the U.S. offering primary, basic, and advanced training. The Corpus Christi Army Depot and Training Air Wing 4 are located at the Naval Air Station, which supports the U.S. Department of Defense's rotary wing aircraft. Facilities at the site are kept maintained to support operations and aircraft training. 5. Naval Base Kitsap. More than 45,000 on-duty and support people live at Naval Base Kitsap on the Kitsap Peninsula, including 12,825 active military members, 14,071 civilian employees, and 18,700 family members. The installation, which supplies the U.S. Navy fleet stationed throughout West Puget Sound, was created in 2004 by joining the previous naval station Bremerton and Naval Submarine Base Bangor. Surface ships and submarines stationed at Bremerton and Bangor are serviced by the Naval Base Kitsap. Additionally, it has ties to the Puget Sound Naval Shipyard, where most ships and submarines are repaired. 4. Naval Base San Diego. With 48,000 military and civilian employees, Naval Base San Diego in California, the principal home port for the Pacific Fleet, is the fourth largest naval base in the U.S. In 1922, the U.S. Navy built a destroyer base in San Diego. During World War II, the base was renamed Repair Base San Diego, and between 1943 and 1945, it oversaw the overhaul, maintenance, and repair of more than 5,117 ships. During the Korean War, the facility saw a significant expansion that resulted in its current size of more than 2,000 acres. Around 180 distinct commands, including 57 ships from the U.S. Navy, Coast Guard, and Military Sealift Command, are housed at Naval Base San Diego. Littoral combat ships, modern surface combatants of the U.S. Navy, are also stationed there. 3. Naval Air Station Jacksonville. The largest Navy installation in the Southeast and the third largest in the U.S. is Naval Air Station Jacksonville. As the top large installation in the U.S. in 2013, the base won the Commander Navy Installations Command Excellence Award. In Duval County, northeastern Florida, close to the bank of the St. Johns River, the NAS Jacksonville was founded in 1940. Around 3,400 acres make up the base's total area, 53,590 people, including NAF employees, federal workers, DoD troops, contract workers, and family members, are currently housed there. The NAS Jacksonville assists U.S. and Allied soldiers with a focus on anti-submarine warfare while also preparing airmen to meet the demands of high-impact combat fighters. 2. The Joint Base Pearl Harbor Hickam. JBPHH, located about 13 kilometers west of Honolulu, is home to approximately 55,000 Marines and their families, as well as over 5,000 Air Force soldiers and their families. In October 2010, Naval Base Pearl Harbor and Hickam Air Force Base were realigned to become the JBPHH. The U.S. Navy established the Pearl Harbor Naval Port in 1908, playing a famous part in World War II. It is a crucial component of U.S. defense and takes up 27,694 acres of land. It supports aviation operations in the Pacific and Asian regions and provides mooring, shoreside support, and maintenance for the surface fleet and submarines. More than 160 commands, 11 ships, 19 submarines, and a variety of aircraft, such as the C-17 Globemaster III, KC-135 Stratotanker, and F-22 Raptor, are stationed at Pearl Harbor. 1. Naval Station Norfolk. The largest naval installation in the world, Naval Station Norfolk, is located near Norfolk City's Sewell's Point Peninsula in southeast Virginia. The facility, which has a land area of over 3,400 acres, was founded in 1917. The post currently houses 149,000 troops, including active duty, family members and dependents, reservists, Department of Defense civilians, and joint forces. During World War II, the base served as a training facility for the U.S. and its allied naval and aviation units. By providing facilities and installation services for the largest concentration of the U.S. Navy, comprising 75 ships and 134 aircraft, the Naval Station Norfolk assures the operational preparedness of the U.S. Atlantic Fleet. With this, we conclude our video. We appreciate you helping us keeping it going by watching. The best way to support our channel is to watch another episode. Thank you for tuning in. To ensure that you never miss an episode, please subscribe to this channel.